He's the guy!
This is the one?
Cooking!
Arrest him!
No one can say anything to the king. What is this?
You insulted!
Your cooking is horrible. I had to puke for 10 days straight.
Peasant!
Oh,
Get off of there!
listen,
He shall be here for no less than 10 days for the insult to my precious queen. May you feel the wrath of God upon you.
only 10 days? Thank God for that.
Raise the sword!
Wait. I think you and I are cousins. Do you know King Andrew?
My least favorite cousin. Chop his head off.
No, wait. I think maybe we might have the same mother also.
Highly doubtful.
Are you sure? What was the mother's name?
Oh, you don't remember your own mother's name?
Well, I do, but I don't because I'm so afraid right now. Wait. Listen, your cooking wasn't bad. It was horrible, okay?
That's it! Chop his head off!
I've been in harder situations than this. But you know what? They almost chopped my head off. If it wasn't for my greasy tongue, I wouldn't have survived today. But I don't know what kind of a plan they have for me. Oh, Your Majesty! How are you?
If it wasn't for me, I'd have had your head chopped a long time ago. I'm going to release you and banish you from this country, never to return.
Never?
Never! Never! Get